Welcome to Mr. T Mansion to be. Mr. T and his wife. Usually, when we get a site like that, we coin them with the title of the first letter of their name, Mr. T. So if you're another Mr. T, you could be Mr. T1 or Mr. T2. So this is Mr. T1. All right, so we have come and do material testing for the project. Very massive project here. Right, we're going to go around. This is money now. What you're looking here, this is 3/4 granite. And this is huge money. This is about, I think this is 30 ton that was purchased. And this is how far we have used it. All right, so we go around, okay? We're taking you right round to what is the beginning of what you're going to see later. I've seen the 3D. The 3D is absolutely phenomenal. This man wants to retire and say, well, look, I've worked hard. I'm coming back home. I am coming to enjoy my sweat. And that will be his portion in Jesus' name. To those of you who are out there, this is something that you can borrow idea from. All right? So I've tested, look at it. When I was a few minutes ago, I would show you material test, how solid the spine of the foundation is. Seriously, this is a small wood. I'm going to show you something. This foundation pegging. Right. You'll see this. It's so solid. If they didn't mix it properly, this should be chipping out. This should be cracking. This should be cracking. This should be cracking. Hitting it like this, it should be cracking. This is material test. Even the wood is crying. That's material test. See? The wood has to give up. The wood gave up. That's the solidity of the beam. Right? Even me, I'm struggling to even get. So like I said, this is the solidity of the work that has been put in place. There is no amount of fear when the building, this is just the foundation. Look at how many coaches from the DPC. One. There's one already on the ground. All right, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 coaches above the ground. Right. Though the topography of the land dictates what we have done here, right? Okay. What we did here, at the final analysis, when the house has been fully completed. Now, this is because the land is a bit slopey to the back. This could have been better if this side had been at the back of the house. But notwithstanding, we've calculated all this properly so that when the building is finally completed, it will not be a problem when we're bringing the slope down to the front for the water to slope out, for the water to run out, to drain out. We've calculated it. Look at that height. By the time we start doing the filling and we did the final flooring, we might be somewhere here. So, assuming we have done this foundation lower than this, there's going to be a problem. So assuming we have reduced, the owner economized and said, oh, you know what, I don't have money. Do it because there's some clients that does that. I don't have money. Then you now do what is not right. So when we now start doing the flooring, the final flooring of the compound, the level of the ground of the sand that we're putting in the ground will now be eating up the height of the foundation, and we will not have any much space anymore. Some, they fill their compound to the point of the base of the window, which we have completely avoided on this. So let me take you around. As you see, the blocks are getting reduced. We got 7 coaches there. We got one here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 there, 4 here, and that 4 consistently went as far as the back. The same thing I did there, that solidity. If this had not been strong, this will be chipping out. All right. On Ebony Wall TV, sorry, Ebony Wall Construction, we make sure that the right thing, the right mix is done, the right material is used. No matter what, we make sure that this is monitored. Right? Congratulations to you guys. All right. And one thing that the owner has done, he's a clever guy to save cost. He's got block molding machine, right? He's molded his block. He's making his block by himself, right? So most of the block, the entire blocks that we've used to work here was molded on the site. That's his idea. It's good, saves cost, but one thing is that about block molding, they need to be monitored for the right mix to be done. All the pillars are well. See, if they're not solid, you'll be getting this chipped out. Okay, that's good. Good job. The same thing here. All of them will be chipping out. They are all solid base. So the house is solid. No way, even the wood is suffering. Right. Okay, so like I said, so it's coming from 8, it's gone to the back 3, 8, 5, 4, 3. Okay, so that's how we're going to take the drainage. Right. There are 3 inches of German floor. The German floor will be like this, up to this height. So it's not the final place. On top of it, we're going to cap it with wire mesh, damp-proof membrane, and then concrete mix. We're going to mix it. We're going to macadamize it. What we mean by macadamize, that's a big English. We're going to compact it and then put rubbles, if need be, into the place. So our next thing to do is to start getting then to backfill. You have to be backfilling. You have to be doing backfilling. So all these ones,